Hello everyone, welcome back to the first lecture of full stack web development tutorial. So in today's lecture we will see basics of HTML, and if you already know the basics of HTML then you can easily skip this tutorial, otherwise follow each and every steps. So HTML full form is hypertext markup language. It's a markup language that is used to show content on web browser. So we will make a simple program and we will see some tags in HTML, and we will discuss all the aspects of HTML in while coding. So first of all, open a notepad like I have opened, and from here first thing that we will do, we will declare a doc type and it will be HTML. Okay, it's visible. Now this one is tag, open and closed square bracket. So every HTML file starts with HTML tag like this one, and now it will be followed by a heading section. This will contain all the static sources, all the metadata type, and all the JavaScript and CSS folder or file that we want to include in this HTML file. So first thing that we will here include title. So this is what title will contain, what we want to show here. Where here new tab like google.com. okay, not AdSense. Open any. Oops. Just do this thing. Here what you see, Google search, it's a keyword written here. So this title will contain that keyword. So here just take full stack web development. Okay, now save this. Where just at I'm saving here desktop and named as index.html. okay, so this is just smallest program that we can have. Actually it has some more things, but let us see first this thing. So where I have saved index, here this is index.html file we have. Now open this. Now you can see full stack web development as a title. Now edit for more. So after including heading, we have to include body, and this will contain all the things that we want in our web application in this section. So here first thing is a header, heading part. It's a heading part. So what is the tag of heading? Tag of heading include from range 1 to 6. So here look at heading 1. okay, now copy this thing. We will see the range of heading. So now it's fine. Just okay, make this 2, close this 2, 3, close this 3, 4 and 5, and one more we have, that is 6. okay, just save this thing. Now check here, refresh. Here you can see the size of each heading. It's a heading 1, actually it's heading 2, heading 3, heading 4, heading 5. So we have different size. So this is how we can include heading in our web page. And now after heading we have to write a paragraph so that will be in, so leave this as a heading here, and now I make this our first web app. Okay, now after that we will take a paragraph. This is content of our first web application. Okay, now save this thing and once again refresh. Here our first web app, this is content of our first web application. So this is what we can do with paragraph. And now next what we will do, we will add some more elements. So first of all we will add a table in our HTML page. So table, creating table is very easiest task. We just have to put this table tag, and here th, it's a first column, and column is always inside row, so it will be like this. Okay, it's this table have a single row, but we want more rows, so just copy this thing. So this table has 3 rows, and how many column? 1 column. So also make 3 column. Now th is for header of column and td is for content of column. Okay, now it's now make here heading 1, heading 2, heading 3, or here content 1, content 2, content 3, here also content 3, content 2 and content 1. Okay, now copy and here this header 1, header 2, content 1, content 2 and content 3. So here we have one extra th that's caused problem, and we are seeing there is no border, so just put here border 1. Now see here once more we have one extra td element, this one, make it single. Now it's fine. So this is how table will look like. So here just put heading 2 as a table. So this is table, and now next thing that we will see is to how to list a content. List we all know, and like here you can see like 1, 2 number, 3 number, like this we can put list. So to put list, what we will do, first of all make here list, so first of all we have unordered list. We don't have any type of order, so open and close. You can see HTML is very easy because all the name is related, user friendly. You don't have to remember each and every name. It's a very easy to remember all these things. So first of all, here look, just put link and what content, list 1. Okay, and now copy this thing and paste multiple times. List 1, list 2 and list 3. Refresh. Okay, you can see here list 1, list 2 and list 3. And now next thing that we will see is how can we put an image in our HTML page. So here just make another content image. Okay, so to put an image we have tag image, and here we will provide source of image, and within this we can put height and width. We'll take 200, and also alt is like when there is no image, this alt will show, means at destined source, if there is no image, then no image will printed. You can see like this. Just save. Okay, you can see there is no image. So let's search for any image here, like this one. Take this and copy link address. So here put this link, and now refresh. So it's not finding. Oh, there is some problem. Actually link is not correct, so I'm trying this with my local image. Okay, just remove. Let me try with my image on my local machine. Just here go to properties, and here image name is download.jpg. .jpg. Now refresh. You can see here we have now image. So next thing that we will bring is HTML form. This one, HTML form. HTML form is used to take input from user. So how it will start? It will start with a form tag, and we also have to close this form tag. Make this like, okay, it's visible, fine. Now what form collects? Like in registration or logging, we have a input box. So for that we will take input and type of input. Let type of input be text, and then placeholder, enter your name. That's it. Now we can take some more input field. Okay, and like email, number, radio button. I will explain what is radio button. So first take email, now email and also number. So enter your name, enter your email, enter any number. Okay. And also we have many buttons. Button type, button, click here. Now close this. Also we have a input type file, where we can upload file. And we have one break BR to change the line in our web application. This break will use to change the line. And also we have radio button. Radio button is provides option to select between any two input field. So here input type radio, name radio button. Okay, just copy this thing too. So these are radio button. And also we have checkbox. So copy this, input type checkbox, and convert this name to checkbox. And here put radio 1, radio 2. Here checkbox 1 and below checkbox 2. So we can differentiate while we will run the code. And now one more thing we have, select. So open and close, and here we can provide options. Option, close the option tab. Here option 1. Now put some option 2, option 3. So these are the only input type we have in HTML. So let us see. Go below. Here you can see enter your name, enter your email, enter any number. Here you can see -1, -2. And next we are not seeing. Okay, let me check. Input type, just break from everywhere. So here you can see actually we have not closed something. Okay, so here you can see the radio, how radio buttons working. You can select any only one from these two, and here from checkbox it's not going below, so we have forget something. Select input type checkbox. So checkbox 1, checkbox 2. Let me check this. So here I forgot to put to close this thing, this curly bracket. So now it will work. I just forgot to close this thing. So I have just checked this thing. Now it's working. So in HTML it won't show you any error but you have to find out where you are making mistake. If you are getting any error, it will just collapse your HTML. It will show, but it will show you any error. So here you can see it's a radio 1, radio 2, check boxes different, and here you can also select from any options. So this was select, it was check boxes in my HTML code. This is radio button. Here you can choose file, okay, and this is clickable button, and here it's a mail. You can put here, you can put any text, you can put any number. So this is what, this is an HTML form used to interact with server and interact with the user. So now next thing that we will see some tags like center, break, italic. So here just put a paragraph and first remove this form, so it will look neater and cleaner. So in HTML, how we can make a comment, here let us see. To make a comment, just put this signature and where you want to close. So I just want to close here. So while closing we have to do like this. So now anything between these tag will be a comment now. So look here, now this section has been removed. So now next from here just put a paragraph. Hi, this is testing, and now put this part in center. So you can see this is now in center, and also make it bold. So it will be now bold. Here you can see what's changing. You can make it italic. Now this is italic and bold. And also in HTML we have two types of tag. One tag we have to close, while another tag we don't have to close, like break, BR. This is unclosable tag, we don't have to close, while paragraph tag we have to close. And now one more thing, that we can also mark a particular HTML content. Then you will see how mark will work. Now this is marked. So these all are basic syntax. There are many more in HTML you have to study in actual development, but this is a only basic thing that you should know, and it will help you. And while development you will get to introduce in many new HTML tags. So guys, in next lecture we will see how can we put styling in this HTML content. Like here it's all looking good, but not in well coordinated way. So from next lecture we will see how can we put image in box, image in there. So for that we will use CSS, cascading style sheet, that is only used to style our application in proper format. So guys, thank you for watching this video, and in next lecture we will see CSS, and also if time will allow then we will also look at JavaScript. Thank you.